In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a single item from Alibaba. If you want just one piece to test quality or for personal use, I'll show you how to find listings that allow single orders, confirm details with the supplier, pay safely, and track your delivery with confidence. First, go to Alibaba.com or open the Alibaba app. Log in or create a free account if you're new, completing your shipping address and basic profile. Now, we'll make checkout smoother later and help suppliers quote accurate shipping. Next, search for the product you want using the search bar. To narrow results to single item options, apply filters like ready to ship and low MOQ. As you browse, look for listings that explicitly mention MOQ one piece or sample available. You can also type helpful keywords such as sample, one piece, or single item along with your product name. While scanning results, take a moment to check supplier ratings, reviews, and whether they're verified. These cues help you avoid low-quality listings and set expectations for communication and fulfillment. Open a product page and read it carefully. Check the minimum order quantity near the price, and make sure one piece is allowed for the exact variation you want, since MOQ can change by color, size, or bundle. Review shipping methods and estimated lead times so you know how fast the item can leave the warehouse and how much delivery will cost. Before buying, message the supplier using Chat Now or Contact Supplier. A simple note works. Hi, I would like to buy one piece only. Is that okay? Many sellers will accommodate single units even if the page shows a higher MOQ. In that same message, confirm availability for your chosen spec and that they can ship to your location. Request a sample order if needed, and confirm 3 things in writing: the final total price, the shipping cost, and the delivery time window. It's also helpful to ask which courier they'll use and whether any taxes or duties might be due on arrival, so there are no surprises. When you're ready, place the order. If the listing supports it, click Buy Now. If not, ask the supplier to create a custom order for one piece. Double check the product variant, address, and that trade assurance is enabled. Pay through Alibaba's secure options such as credit or debit card, Alibaba Secure Payment, or PayPal with participating suppliers. Never pay outside Alibaba, and keep all communication on platform. After payment, go to My Orders to track shipping. When your package arrives, inspect it promptly. If there's an issue, don't confirm